our week 2 lesson. Our milk multiplies simple fractions and mixed number fractions. Second, solves routine or non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of fractions and mixed fractions using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. So our topic, multiplying simple fractions and mixed fractions. So let's have a review first. Number 1, 8 over 10. We can reduce this into its lowest term. Get the greatest common factor of 8 and 10. So the answer for that is 4/5. So, paano ko nakuha ang 4/5 na lowest term ng 8 over 10? So, I divide this by 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Next, 7 over 14. Again, think of a number na pwedeng makadivide sa 7 and 14. Or, get the greatest common factor of 7 and 14. So their greatest common factor is 7. 7 divided by 7 is, so let's see the answer, 1. And 14 divided by 7 is 2. Next, 4 over 20. So what is the GCF of 4 and 20? So it is 4. So the answer for that is 1/5. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Next, 5 over 10. So the answer for this is 1/2. PCF is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. And the last one is 2/3 because their greatest common factor is 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2 and 18 divided by 6 is 3. Next, multiplying simple fractions. So how to multiply simple fractions? So we have here a problem. Romeo grows flowering plants on 3/4 of his plot of land. 1/5 of the planted area is for the roses. What fraction of his plot of land is used for growing roses? So the solution for this, so we are going to multiply both numerators and both denominators. So let's write our equation. So that is 1/5 times 3/4. Let's multiply the numerators and denominators. We have here an example of multiplying mixed fractions. We can write the multiplication equation as 1 and 1/2 times 3 and 1/2 equals n. The steps in multiplying mixed fraction. First, change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. The denominator by the whole number. And then the product, add to the numerator. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And copy the denominator. We need also to change this fraction into improper fraction. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Then copy the denominator. So the equation 1 and 1/2 times 3 and 1/2 will become 3 over 2 times 7 over 2. And then let us multiply the numerators and denominators. So 3 times 7 is 21 and 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 4 over 21. So as you can see here, our answer is improper fraction. Mas malaki yung numerator kasi yung denominator. Need to divide this 1. Let's change this improper fraction into mixed number. Next step, dito na tayo. Since the answer is improper fraction, let us divide. 21 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. And 21 minus 20 is 1. So the final answer is 5 and 1/4. So yung 5 is yung quotient, gawin natin whole number. Yung remainder, ginawang numerator. This one, ginawang denominator. Next, multiplying simple fraction in mixed. We have here the problem. So let's find the 3/5 of 3 and 1/2. So, the first step, we need to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction by multiplying the numerator and denominator, the whole number plus the numerator. So, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And then, copy the denominator. So, 3 and 1/2 will become 7 over 2. So, ito na yung bagong equation natin. So, 3/5 times 7 over 2. So, let's multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. And the denominators, 5 times 2 is 10. So, the answer is 21 over 10. Again, this is an improper fraction. Kaya yung susunod na step, gagawin natin itong mixed fraction or let us divide 21 by 10. So, 21 divided by 10 is 2 and 2 times 10 is 20. 21 minus 20 is 1. So, the answer is 2 and 1 over 10. Thus, 2 and 1 over 10 meters of the cloth were used for pants. For your activity, kindly answer the following. And then let's check your answers. Always remember to multiply a fraction by another fraction. Multiply both the numerators and both the denominators. Then express the answer in simplest form or lowest term, if needed. And in multiplying mixed fraction, we need to change mixed fraction to improper fraction. And the third one, in multiplying simple fraction in mixed number or mixed fractions, we need to change first the mixed fraction to improper fractions before we multiply the numerators and denominators. So that's it, my dear students. Good luck in answering your modules.